Hey guys, this is Forexwolf. I go by the name Alpha One. I'll be explaining to you guys for the beginners on how to enter this market if you're starting off with us, following us. So I'm just gonna let you guys know, if you're a person who doesn't know anything about the market and you wanna understand how the market works, I'll be showing you how the market works. But I'm gonna first explain something small for you guys just to understand. It's nothing serious, just listen, take it, a bit of nuggets there. So yeah, what Forex is. Forex is the foreign exchange market where currencies, stocks, metals get exchanged and get sold or bought. So yeah, it's more like an exchange. It's where the world exchanges its currencies, its metals and so on. It controls the prices of currencies, of metals and such things like that. Usually if you check the news, when they come in, they'll be telling you that a certain currency is standing at a certain amount, or the dollar has lost strength to a certain amount, or such things like that. Those things relate to the market of the foreign exchange market, also gold and such things like that, determining the value of the currency. So I'll be talking to you guys also about selling and buying. Selling is going short and buying is going long. Usually when we talk in the market about, like, the let's say about the stock market, for example, when you sell usually when the price at a higher price, so you get a better value. So when you buy at a price when it's low, so you get a better bargain at a lower price. So that's how it works. So I'm going also into psychology as well. Psychology of the market. Best way to start with it is to have a strategy with a trading plan. When you have a trading plan for your strategy, it makes it easier for you to see where your mistakes are. When you write down what mistakes you've done in terms of your wins and losses, then you can go back, check on how you lost and how you won. Then in that way you can get a grasp on your trading style, on what type of trader you are and such things like that. And another thing in the forex market, we as forex wolf, we call this thing knowing thyself. It's like having a SWOT for yourself. You have to have a SWOT for yourself where you understand your personality, on what type of a person you are. If you're an impatient person or you're a patient person. If you know that you're an impatient person, you know that you day trade or you scalp. And if you know that you are a patient person in terms of your SWOT, you know that you're gonna swing. So that, yeah, you're an impatient person, so you'll swing, something like that. So another one is have laws for yourself. When I mean have laws for yourself, whether you're a swinger, a scalper, or whether you're a day trader, you need to have laws for yourself, to set the laws saying that maybe after 3 or 4 losses you don't trade on the day, or when you get too many wins you don't over trade, because sometimes as a trader we get overwhelmed by euphoria, or sometimes when we miss a trade we end up forcing the trade and trying to go into a trade. We call that form of fear of missing out, such type of things. And another thing, as a trader, you shouldn't be hard on yourself. Like, you shouldn't be hard on yourself, because whenever you're hard on yourself, picture this: you're in a market where 60% of traders and 70% of traders lose in this market, and 30% to 40% of traders win in this market. So you're in a market which is difficult, where you'll be competing with prop firms, you'll be competing with firms where investing firms and such things, and big banks. So you have to be smart when you enter this market. Yeah. And another thing, there is no strategy, there is no golden strategy. Like, you can't say there is a golden strategy, because that doesn't exist. One thing I can tell you, every strategy works according to the trader and how the trader uses it. If the trader understands that strategy, then they'll be able to analyze it. If you check on Wolf's market in terms of how he analyzes, and you check on how I analyzed, you'll see a difference. But we are doing the same thing with the same strategy, but we don't trade the same in terms of how we place our drawings on our charts. Whenever we analyze them, we don't analyze the same, but we're using the same strategy. So it's a matter of psychology of how do you see these things, and so on. So there's no golden strategy. All strategies also work for everyone. The most important thing is, do you understand what you're doing, and is it comfortable with you, and does it correspond or sync with your personality as a trader? And another thing, I would refer for you guys to go listen to an audiobook, or go read a book called Trading in the Zone. Just listen to it, then you'll understand on how the market works in terms of psychology as well. And if you want to go in depth, in detail, to just understand just the basic of how the market works, you can go on the internet, type on Google baby pips, then just download a PDF, get a short read through, then you just understand on what the market is. Just know what the market is, what it deals about, if you really want to go into depth on what this forex exchange market is. And yeah guys, from there, then you guys can just do that, then you'll understand. And for one thing, if you want to test yourself as a beginner, first rule: have a trading plan, have a SWOT, have loss for yourself. And one other thing, don't be hard for yourself. And another one, don't go all over trying to look for a golden strategy or the best strategy in the world. That doesn't exist. It's just a matter of doing what you can with what you have, and trying to understand the market with the strategy you have, and mastering it, making it yours. You know what I mean? And another thing, you have to have heart in this market. This is a tough market. It's not an easy market where you just go and make money and you just go out. You have to be smart in this market. You need a heart. You need to have a reason why you're trading. It needs to make you wake up in the morning. You need to love it. So yeah, man, I'm just being real with you guys. This is Alpha 1, so this is how it is. If you want to be going into understanding the market as a beginner, what I've said, the most important thing is psychology in this market, rather than just buying and selling. If you know thyself, then it makes it easier for you to master the market, see what's going on within it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the advice I gave. So yeah guys, this is it. Yeah, this is your boy Alpha 1. Hope you. So guys, follow us, subscribe, check out on our content as we go, as we'll be going, teaching people, showing them what they need to know in order to understand the market. So if you follow us, like us, then we have a lot going forward. We're gonna be broadcasting and showing off and showing people on how the market works. So yeah, follow us, check up on our work, and keep up with us, and we'll show you what's going on deep inside the market. So yeah, this is Forexwolf. We hunt bears and bulls. This is how it works, my niggas. Yeah.